Balik ta mga kapuso sa GMA Regional TV Live pampag-anta ning mga higayuna. Ila-ilahon ta karong buntaga kining Pinay nga vlogger sa nasod sa Germany. Mipatok kining iyang content pagpakita sa iyang lifestyle ug kinabuhi didto sa gawa sa nasod Kauban ang iyang hamiling kapikas sa ka-German. Makauban nato sila karong buntaga mga kapuso. Magtiayong Mary Ann ug si Sir Nico. Good morning!
Good morning, sir!
Thank you so much. Welcome to the program. Ma'am Mary Ann, let me start with you. Unahon na lang tika, ma'am. Ngano nakadesisyon man ka nga mag-vlog?
Sa una, di pa man kayo tuuso ang vlogging. So, motong nagulon ako nga para makita sa akong pamilya ako ang kinabuhi dire. Di sila mag-worry ba nga ipasakitan ko dire sa kumbana or unsa ba bisag nga wala na ko isaba sa ilaha inana.
Sir Nico, how does it feel, sir? Your wife is now an internet sensation.
Yeah, it was very surprising because we started with 10 viewers and then hundreds and suddenly it was 10,000 and then it was really like a big wave getting more and more. And yeah, but my wife is charming, so I can understand people like to watch her.
Can you share to us about your love story? How did you two meet?
Well, it was I was having a vacation with my family. Actually, it was going to Leyte, but there was a typhoon there, and so we were. The hotel was changed to Bohol, and Marianne was working in the hotel there where we went, and yeah, that's how we meet.
What did you like most about Mary Ann, Sir Nico?
Yeah.
Her spreading happiness, charmingness. She's also very guapa, and her character basically.
Ikaw, ma'am, unsa may nakapa o sa Tagalog pa na nganong nabighani man kani Sir Nico?
Siyempre, gwapa sir. Nya, kalangkuan, very respectful.
Do the staring game. We'll just ask you a few questions, then you just point. We do the pinpoint game as well. So you point who is, for example, who is more talkative. Is it you or is it Ma'am Mary Ann?
It's like, who's most likely?
Yeah, most likely. Who's more loving daw?
Nico. No, Nico.
Who is more serious?
Tia.
Subot ma'am, ikaw ang mas kalog yun.
Oh, buwangon yung utok sir, pero seryoso kayo.
Who gets irritated kuno easily? Who's good at cooking?
Murag siya.
Lastly, who is more patient?
Murag ako.
Pagka-aligre mga kapuso sa game. Pampabuenas lang. Kay pampaganas sa atong mga nagtan-aw pod karong buntaga, pampabuenas. Kiss naman dyan, Ma'am Mary Ann o Sir Nico.
Ay, wala ko, uy, out.
Forever can never be long enough. Feel like I've had
Pagkaninot mga kapuso, pampakilig karong buntaga. Thank you so much ni atong bida nga couple gikan sa nasod sa Germany, si Mary Ann o si Sir Nico. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir Nico.
Thank you.
Daghang salamat.
Salamat.
Sir, pwede mo shout out kadali?
Shout out ka.
Great ko sa kuan family di ay sa Bohol, akong papa, sa mga Riroma family, ug sa mga alho nga nasa tubod lang. Del Norte, regards ko ninyo tanan, mingaw na kayo ko ninyo. Marato.
Daghan kayong salamat, ma'am, sa pag-uban ka namo. Ma'am Mary Ann, Sir Nico, God bless you.
God bless you too. Thank you for having us.
Thank you, salamat.